This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the fish eating game in Fishdom. This engaging minigame challenges you to grow your fish from a tiny fry into a formidable aquatic creature. Your primary goal is to consume smaller fish while skillfully evading larger, more dangerous predators. The controls are intuitive, allowing you to focus on strategic movement and quick reactions. Get ready to dive into the underwater world and master the art of survival and growth. The core mechanic involves continuous growth. As your fish consumes smaller prey, it gradually increases in size and power. Different sizes of fish offer varying amounts of growth points. For instance, a medium-sized fish might give you 10 points, while a tiny one gives only 2. Be vigilant, as bumping into a fish larger than yours will cost you one of your precious lives. You typically start with 3 lives, so play carefully. To maximize your chances, focus on eating fish that are just a bit smaller than your current size, as they offer good growth without excessive risk. Always keep an eye on the entire screen, especially the edges, where larger predators often lurk. Look out for helpful power-ups that appear. A speed boost can help you escape danger, and a shield can protect you for several seconds. Strategic movement is key to long-term survival. As you progress and your fish reaches certain size milestones, you will earn valuable bonus coins, which are essential for your main Fishdom game. Successfully completing levels also unlocks exciting new fish species and unique decorations for your aquarium. The more you play, the better your reaction time and strategic thinking will become. Keep practicing, and you will soon master this thrilling minigame, enhancing your overall Fishdom experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.